Gokul, Yochandra, is my screen and my voice is clear? Is it? It is? Let me
Yes,
know.
sir.
Visible,
Fine.
visible.
Okay, fine. So we have an object person name. So I have some name like Suman, post, full stack, right? It's details like address, everything we have. So we know everything, and it's batch, batch name, ID, and everything we have. Batch name web6. So ID number we have D0024. Hmm? So now let's see. This is the person we want to edit the details, or this is the module details. Got it right? Now since go to courses and go to any module. We have a module. I want to edit it. Means there is a problem with server today. I might set up. I might solve this by evening. I know what is the problem also. So now I need to edit it. Means while editing, I need to append that object to another object. Means I need to copy it into another copy. Means I want to copy. So I can do copy 2-3 ways. One is I can create, means just I'm creating the variable edit module. That is the edit module pop-up, right? I need to assign this edit module. Object dot assign of empty comma module details. What we can do, this is an empty object as of now, but we are assigning this. So this will be assigned to edit module. Let's check now. So we have edit module and we have module details. Just give node module 10.2.js. Module 10.2.js. So module details edit module. File name ఇక్కడ ఉందా రైట్ rename. You see both are there. Means we can assign we can copy the one object to another object like this, or else this is one way. But I will do what, see in module details, this is the original one. This I just copied from here. This way we can copy, or else I can see it's fine. So now what I'm doing in the original module, I'm changing the ID number to D00024230. I just changed it, okay? Let it be. I just changed. I just do console.log. We did this. Okay, console.log of module details. I just printed. So what you need to think now, where I changed this? I changed it here. I changed it here, right? Means whether it affect here or here also it will affect. You got it right? I changed here only. But whether it will affect here or here also, means both or only one place. It will affect only one. Why? Because see, now we are assigning that single level, it will deep copy. If I assign to address here, means is the second level object. If I do here module details dot address, then same like name markerly address name. Now let's see now whether this will affect or not. This will affect because we're just copy deep only first level. Object dot assign will do first level deep copy only, not second level. Second level will have the same copy, same reference. The second level will be nested object. Nested object will have the same reference. Now check 30. It's not affected. Let's check one more thing. I will do here again. So pin code 524002. No, it's not affected. It might copy deep copy. So object dot assign will do deep copy. Now let's do this. So without this, what I want to do, I will create some same thing. I will create const right equal to directly module details. Now tell me what might happen if we do here the changes. Means I'm directly assigning. It will also come, right? We are just assigning. It will become shallow copy. What it is happening? It's very wrong, not the right way. Okay, I will do in console. It's very wrong. It's coming as wrong. So I will show you. Okay, because that is not the concept there. So I will do here and I will show you. I will put debugger here only. Maybe console is not updating. So we'll do here so that you can understand. So now let's see here. Okay, in script scope we have all this. Fine. See here we have edit module. Edit module having this. Now module details having this. Now I just changed in the module details ID. It's 30. Now just check edit module also. It's also 30. See, again I will change. So now module details address we have this. Edit module also will have this. You see, edit module also will have means if you are assigning same object means it will assign the same reference. JavaScript will works on reference. You got it right. That is not deep copy. That is shallow copy. Even though if you do object dot assign, it will do only one level, not everything. Okay, that also I will show you. You got it right. It is shallow copy. Deep copy if you want to do, we want to do it some different ways. I will tell you that. So now if I will do object dot assign also. Just comment it. Again copy it. Okay. So that is why most of the compilers will fail to execute the same. But browser will give the correct result. Okay. Because I already know object.assign is a shallow copy because I already did that. But this command prompt is doing wrong. So now go here again, check edit module. It's fine. Module is also fine. Now just check. We have module details ID number, edit modules. This is one level. Just check the another level. We have address. We have address. This is what we have. So this is module details and this is error details. Object dot assign might do deep copy, but direct assignment will do shallow copy. Now we have few more things to do deep copy. For example, this is one way. Now the second way is const edit module equal to JSON dot parse of JSON dot stringify of module details. Now tell me this will change or not. This edit module will change now. No, why? Because we are doing deep copy. So just copy the same and do the execution. We'll just print in the console. Let's check here. See now, what is edit module here? You already know this. What is module details? This is the one. Now I just changed module details. It's 30. Again, if you see edit details, it is 24. It's not updated. Means it's not shallow copy. Let's check the second level. Address also. Module details. We have this, but edit module will be empty only. Means it did deep copy. How it did? Actually, JSON.stringify of module details means it will make it as a string. String means it's a string type. You know, string number they will not do shallow or deep copy. It's directly assigning the value. So it will create the new reference. If you assign equal to 6, if you assign equal to 5, it will be different. If you assign A equal to B also, if you change A, B might not change because values will focus on the values only, data types. But objects will focus on the object references. That's why if there is an object, if you are just directly assigning, it will share the same memory location. It will not create the new memory location. You got it right? So that is how. Now I'm making as a string. Now the string will become primitive type. So then if you are again parsing it to JSON, it might create the new object reference, but not existing to the point of existing. That is what it. The final one is we have structured clone. This is the second one. The third one will be const edit module equal to structured clone of module details. This will also do. This is also from JavaScript. Means it will create the clone of that, but it will not create the same reference. It will be also deep copy. So that is the difference between deep copy and shallow copy. If you do this also, this will also work. Structured clone is meant for that only. JavaScript released for that only. I'll just uncomment this. JavaScript is released for that purpose only. You see now, edit module is this. Module details is this. Structured clone also will do deep copy. You got it right? Structured clone also will do deep copy. So that is the thing. Till this point, are you clear? What is deep copy and what is shallow copy? Object dot assign will do deep copy only first level, not every level. Structured clone will do deep copy for every level, nested objects also. JSON dot stringify will make string. So that will convert again to JSON by removing double quotes or single quotes. Then it will come again as a new JSON. So it will create the new reference. That also you can do, right? Or else if you are directly assigning module details equal to edit module or edit module equal to module details, it will directly do shallow copy. That is what shallow copy, deep copy. Sometimes you want to do deep copy. Otherwise, the reference where it is somewhere, that is also changed. You got it right? So that is shallow copy and deep copy. So the next one will be JavaScript. Rest to spread to object iteration, object properties iteration. Okay, fine. So now we have, see, now we have let courses equal to this. So I have some courses like what? So name, painkiller, duration, 3 months. So we have two courses. Let it be, we have 3 to 5 courses. React, Python, Java, right? We have 3. Now I want to copy it into, I want to include it into another courses like let course list. We have one more thing. So here we have some courses, that is fine. Again, we want to add this one also. We cannot like dot 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 courses. So this will include there. Otherwise, we have some object. We want to have another object. For example, let person. We have this. We have this person details like this. Make it as a person details. Or let it be. So I want to add the module details for this person. Person will have name. Someone. Module details I want to add. Module details I want to add which one? This one. Now I cannot add it one by one, right? I can just put like this dot 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 module details. Then it will automatically get it. This spread operator will spread the same. It is also shallow copy. It will spread the same module details into another module. Like same array into another array. This is what spread operator. You don't need to loop it for the array and need to push it here. No, you can directly use spread operator. You don't need to write for loop for this. Again, every loop, every element I need to add to course dot list. I can push. No, I don't need to do that. Using spread operator, it will automatically do that. Just print it so that you can understand. So that is the usage of spread operator. It will copy one object to another object, to one array to another array without looping or something. You can just use 3 dots. Course list console.log person. You got it right. So that's how we can do this. See, in summon also we added module details, right? Here also we added this because of spread operator. You got it right. Here also we added. Here also we added module details. Here you added module details. You see where we added module details here. This is how spread operator will works. You got it right. So we can copy one object to another object, one array to another array using 3 dots. No need to do every code line of code using manually. So this is one. We have rest arguments. Rest arguments. Now we have a function. Addition function. I don't know how many arguments you send. Now you send two numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to, you'll press in calculator. Now you given two numbers or three numbers or five numbers. I don't know. You given like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is one. Again, if you do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus, I will split this string by plus and I will send this to here, right? I will split this with plus. Then I will directly send this. You got it, right? Then it will become 4 values. Again, if I split this, you will get 4. Here I will split, you will get 5. So dynamically I am changing the length of the inputs. Now I am sending only 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I will send again one more extra. Again, now I will send one more extra. If you want to add two numbers, you have a comma b. How can I send a comma b comma c? How can I guess, right? I don't know. I can't guess how many things you will send. Those I need to put dot 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 input. That's it. How many you will send? Those will be you can receive as an array. That's it. Input dot for each. You'll just loop it and store it in result. Result equal to 0 by default. Then you always add result. Result plus equal to x and return result. That's it. We don't know, right? So now just console. It's nothing but dynamical arguments. Here we are sending addition of 1, 2, 3, 500, 6. Again, it will become undefined. If I put comma and leave it, it will become as undefined. Again, I will just n number of arguments I can send. I no need to declare it. That is what rest. Here it is rest parameters declaration. Here we will sending arguments, rest arguments. Method declaration parameters we will call function parameters. Here rest parameter. Here we will send as rest arguments because we are using a rest operator, which is 3 dot here. We can use 3 dots two ways. One is spread operator, another one is rest operator. This is ES6 feature. This is not there in JavaScript. Finally, JavaScript will understand because it will transpile or something. This you try to execute now. It's 382, it's 350. That's it. So this you debug it so that you can understand easily. Just copy it. I will share this code file also, not an issue. So go to here, console it, debug it. Browser debugging is the best medicine or best tool what to do. Okay. It is the best tool I can say to do anything. It's very good. Everyone will become wrong, but not browser console because that is built on JavaScript. That is original JavaScript, right? So go there, go inside. So you'll get as an input as an array. You got it right. You got an input as an array. That will do for each, and we'll do that. We'll send that result. Now here only we have an something to do. I will remove everything. Now here, arrays we have map, we have filter, find, we have many things like we have reduce also. Reduce means we are making that into single unit, x plus y, that's it. X is the total value, Y is the next value. Total value means previous value and the current value is added to. Now, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the array. Now, the total value of the current value is 1. Normally, it is 0 and 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Again, second iteration, X is 1, Y is 2. Again, X plus Y will become 3. Third iteration, X is 3, Y is 3. Both will be added to 6. Fourth iteration, X is 6, Y is 4. You got it right? This will become like this. This I can do iteration so that you will send. Reducing means reduce the all the values into single unit. It will add in each and everything. So I will do reduce using normal function so that you can get something. Okay, X comma Y. Okay, I will return X plus Y. I will return the whole thing. Let's check this, okay? So that you can see the difference. So that is what reduce operation. Reduce operation means the array values we can add each and everything and produce the final value. That is reduce. Reducing into single value. See here. You have an now see here x1 y2. Now x plus y is 3, right? Now we'll come to next. Now y x equal to 3. Y is the next one, right? Again both will be added. So 356 plus 3 will become 369, right? See. Now it's become 359. Again, y is next value. Yes. So now it will return. Now check. It's not printed. Again, first one is 3, next one is 43. Both are added. It become 46. Y will be the next value. Again, both are added. Y is 521. X is 521. Y is the second next value. Again, both are added. Y will be the next 4. The next one will be 1. So 42 become 46. Again 1. So this is what reduce operation. It will reduce. You got it right? So that is how it will work. Reduce operation will work like that. You got it right? Reduce operation will work like that. So we can do like this, but using reduce, we can make directly into single value. Okay. Got it right? So that is one. The next one will be, yeah. We need to iterate through the properties. How we can iterate the same way. So now let's see. We have for of loop, for in loop. We have two. For of, for in, for each, for each, for of, for in, you don't know, maybe. Till now, I will just tell you, okay? We have an object. Let's see. This is the object, right? Module details is the object. Using for of loop, I can do it. See, for let property of module details. For property of module details. Console.log property. Again, we have for in. For let one will get the key, one will get the value. Remember it. Both will not get the same result. For key in module details. I think key only, but I don't remember. Once it's execution, right? It will get the different result. Key. So let's see what happens. For of, for in. Okay, let's give courses. Yes. So now what is happening, I will tell you. This name, course, address. I already told you this will work in key in object. So if there is a key in object, you need to print that by key of module of key, right? If there is an element of array, of means element of array. So this is what definition. So courses is an array. You can loop it using for of. For of like element property. Let it be. Every element means instead of for each, you can also use for of also. How many objects you have, those many you can use it. This will works on arrays. See, this values I am printing. For of will work for arrays, for in will work for only modules. If you make it vice versa also, it won't work. It will get an error. So this is what for of, for in. Mostly, I also didn't use this. Sometimes we will use for each only because means I'm not required. I didn't require this. Mostly we'll go with for each only whenever required. Internal for each. Less this off we will do in Angular. Let object of means here, let's see here. Go to register. Here I use for of only. Value of states. State of states. This we will use for of only in Angular. That's why I just want to tell you. Let there how I will use. This is the division, right? We have ng for in Angular. That is the near feature. Let state of states. Then I will print that state. So this is how we'll use for of in Angular. Let state of states. States is an array object of states. It is having state name and state ID. If it is having that, we need to put again state name to append that. Because if it is an object, it means object will have property. Object dot property name. So this is how we need to do. We might use for of in Angular also. So this is one. We have object entries. This already completed. Prototypes already completed. So dynamic property names. That's it. Normally what we have module details we have. Inside module details, we don't have key like recordings. We don't have key. We can add like this, but make sure don't add like this every time. Just do like this. Recordings. Even though if it is not having that key, it will add dynamically. You got it right? I can add recordings. Module details will is not having the key, right? We can dynamically add in JavaScript using square braces and that that string. What is the key? We can add like this. We can add like this also. But TypeScript is strict, right? It will not allow sometimes. Remember it. Okay. So that is what we need. We can add it and we can access like that also. Even we can access like that also. Like console.log uh, module details of address. We can access like that also address. We can add dynamically and we can access it dynamically like this. So this is what one. Finally, we have window and navigator objects. Window and navigator will be only browser window and browser only, not in JavaScript or TypeScript. But that code we can write in JavaScript or TypeScript. So right click, this is the window. This is the browser window, right? So using window, we can do window.confirm window.prompt. For example, we have window. See, I will write here window and run with the node. What will happen? Whether it will run. Tell me, Bhargav, window.confirm will run in the node.js. Can I run it? Tell me whether it will run or not. Because that will not be there. Because window will be for only browser. So even though that is JavaScript code, it will not run. Now we need to run window. Window.alert. We are just alerting the user. Are you sure to refresh the page? This is one. Window.confirm means you are asking yes or no. That will be confirmed. No, I don't want to refresh. It will not refresh. It will get false. window dot prompt. Please enter some value as an input, right? Family star. Whatever the value you give, that will come. That is window dot prompt. Again, window dot document. If you want to access, you can access which document currently you are in. Again, window dot you have window dot open. If I do window dot open, it will open in the new window. So that is also one. You have window dot close also. Again, you have window dot what we will general use. I am telling, okay. Confirm. Just print. Apart from this, I think we don't use much. Window dot alert, I told you. Close. Yeah. So just I will tell you. So all JavaScript events are there, right? On click, on blur, right? On change. There are some events. When I click on button, that will be on click. When I enter something, that is on key up or key press. So these are events are also there in window that I will show you. So just expand this. Here you can see that on click, on close, on change, everything will be the JavaScript events. But those events are nothing but functions which will take some input, right? Currently it's null. It will take some input when you are sending. That will be also in window only. If I remove this from window, then it might not work. See, if I remove this on click from in window, this button click will not work. You got it right? Let's do that. So I will click here. It might come, right? I will just remove that window dot on click equal to null. This is different. On click equal to console dot hi. So now just print window dot on click. It's always refreshing, man. I'm getting some issue here. Let it be. Again, let's explore what all we have, what we use always. So this all we use always means among these 5 to 10 only we'll use. This drag enter drag leave. We are dragging dropping feature is there, right? That also window feature on drop. Once we drag and drop into something, that is on drop. These functions are all there in window. So we have scroll top scroll. This is also there. Now I will show you where I am using that. Apart from this, we don't use much. So now structured code also in window only. Okay. Structured code, which is JavaScript one. So let's see now. So now you see I go here. I go to Angular developer. So I go to JavaScript. So .NET full stack. I go to JavaScript. In JavaScript, I will open 15th module. If I reload this again, okay, Python full stack. I will go to JavaScript 10th module. Okay. Again, I go to course on Python full stack. It will go to JavaScript 10th module only. How it is going? Because of Windows scroll top. Go to inspect again here. So now scroll bar here, right? Using window dot scroll bar only, I will put the scroll also. Window dot scroll top. Scroll to 0. I think scroll top. Okay, scroll to, we have scroll to 0. Window dot document dot window dot scroll. Why it's not coming? Okay, let it be here. I will do window dot scroll top 560. Screen, okay, not screen, scroll. Scroll top equal to 560. Okay. Scroll, scroll top equal to 560. Just put window dot scroll to 560. Scroll y 600. Scroll x equal to 600. Yeah, ji, nothing is working. Let's check for YouTube. So actually, I'm setting the scroll bar. I know, right? In registration portal, I am only setting, right? Scroll top will put 560. Scroll. Scroll to will give 560. Okay, this might not work. Scroll y axis. Scroll y is 530. What is scroll x? Scroll x is 0. Window of scroll x is 560. Okay, 1 second. I'll just check the code and will show you. So this is important because scrolling is retaining the page, right? Because you are retaining right in LMS. You already seen that. So because of scrolling only. So I have that. I'll just tell you window dot scroll. Not this one. Scroll y. Yes. Scroll y. Scroll to. We have this right. Scroll to. Where is this? So I am doing scroll to. Scroll to will work. So window dot scroll to. So x axis, y axis, I think. Scroll to. So first one is 0. Second one is 560. Let it be 600. Again, just I will try. Scroll to. We'll try for another website. See, it's changed right now. I will do 600 now. Window dot scroll, now it's changed. So window dot scroll or scroll to, you can just check, it might work. Now I will change to 300. So how I check that? Because of scroll y. So how I will get window dot scroll y? Because this is y axis, right? I will get what is the value of that. Not screen. Always you will confuse. Scroll y. So this is 600 now. I will save it for the future and I will make it to some 700. Now I will make it to window dot scroll to of 700. So it will scroll it. This is how we are getting window scroll. Window scroll X, Y. X means horizontal, Y means vertical. We can scroll to X axis. If I do this, again the scroll will come. See, now let's check. If I put 1000 here, this will get the scroll bar also. This will also scroll, okay? So that is the important thing. So that is window scroll. So with this window, I can wrap it up. Now we have window document. Document API we will explain afterwards because document we have DOM manipulation. Because document is nothing but a DOM. This we want to do manipulate. So now we have navigator API. Using navigator API, we can enable webcam, we can enable Bluetooth, we can enable geolocation and all. So I'll just show you. We have navigator. Navigator dot geolocation dot get current position. Get current position is a function. You can get console of it. It is asking for location. It should ask for location. Let I will do here. First it will ask for location. Means some website will allow accessing for webcam and location, right? Using navigator only will do it. This YouTube wants to allow access. Once you allow, you will get the coordinates. Quite slow. Yes, it's got it. Here no message. Here in coordinates, you will get latitude and longitude. The same way, we can use navigate is the main thing in the browser. We have Bluetooth, everything. So, but there is some other features we need to set for Bluetooth. Some more code we need to write in JavaScript. Again, here you need to check whether you are online or not. In Amazon app, if you open, right, if you switch off your internet, small dog will come, right? So because you are offline, that it will check using navigator.online. Since I connected internet, it will show online. Otherwise, it will be offline. So because of that, we can able to match it. So again, using navigator, we can have clipboard dot write text. Why write text? Even I can write image also, right? Because everything will be bytes. You already know. In first class, you are bytes needs to text. So now see here, I added this here. In Explore tab, you can copy the code. You can copy the code, right? This navigator dot clipboard dot write text. So where I written here, so you can able to see clipboard. Only single line. Using navigator dot copy clipboard or that's it, not more than that. And again, wherever you paste, it will paste. We got it right. Using clipboard, we can copy. That is only the key. Okay. That is navigator only. Again, the next one. What else in navigator, which we want to learn? So what you explore, how to enable Bluetooth using navigator. We need to check whether Bluetooth is connected or not. So that also we can do. Navigator dot app code name Mozilla navigator dot just print navigator. You will get the product app name version Windows. The language ENUS. So product of vendor Google. user agent in Mozilla, Windows 64. So user agent will get your mobile device in your mobile. So from here, I will get you are using mobile phone or laptop or Chrome or Windows 64. With that, I will restrict you to not to write exam in mobile. I will get your mobile data and your latitude and longitudes and even your IP address. Got it right? From somewhere I can get IP address also. Let me explore. So get IP address from JavaScript. I'm not sure because I didn't try that, but we'll get it. Without third-party library. Window.peer connection. WebKit. Okay. Just check this. In window only, let's see. Okay. Window.RTC peer connection. Using this we need to do. So it's having this code here. So let's see, just execute this, okay? Means we need to find the IP address. Here, I will do some coding for this. I'll create a function. From there, I will set the IP address. This is my IP. Just to debug this so that we can see something whether we can find the IP address. This is just copied from Google. So using this we can do, that's what they are saying. Here in between, I will do some debugger. Means we need to Google like this, how to get the mobile device and name, how to get the IP address associated with the device. We can get in JavaScript only because everything we will do in JavaScript only, right? We have candidate.candidate. See, I have candidate.candidate. Here I have, this is IPv6 address. See, you know, right? This is IPv6 address. If I enter IP config, you already know. If you enter IP config, you may get IPv6 address. This might temporary. Which one it is getting? It is getting some this address. So now, so maybe that code is wrong, but using JavaScript, using RTPC peer connection, will get the IP address. Whenever you are implementing some application, you can refer this. Write it. So this also I will share you some links. I will just write something for this to get IP address and will share with you. The same way you try to enable Bluetooth video, means video webcam, how to enable webcam. So using navigator only, navigator or window might be there. Web, WebKit driver. So you using navigator and window, everything will work. WebKit, speech, grammar, recognition, webcam, WebSocket. So there are many things. WebKit media stream. Maybe this is the one. Media stream might be there. Using this, we can able to get that. Okay. So just we'll explore. So till this you practice. So these advanced features I will also not sure. So let's explore that. How to enable webcam, how to get the IP address from JavaScript code. This all explore. I will also give solutions, but you will also try to explore because you understand navigator and window. Now you try to explore how to enable Bluetooth first, like that. Next, DOM manipulation, document object model. ఇంతవరకు clear? Chandra, are you clear till this point? Gokul, ఇంతవరకు clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will do DOM manipulation. So it's very interesting topic. It's 3:30, right? We'll take till 4 and complete DOM manipulation. So now just create a page. Let's see, we have courses, right? We have courses. How I implemented this DOM manipulation for courses tab in bytesplash.in or course container. Here also, whatever it may be, it is there. In courses also, we have some courses, but those courses will have all this, like many things, many courses we have. Let's the same, we have four courses, right? We have 4 courses. So what I do, I will do DOM manipulation dot html. DOM manipulation dot html. Just click here, right below, we can write below or up, whatever it may be suitable, we can write it. Let course is equal to this one. Now we'll just create a division. We just create a division. Like create division and create a by ID or class name or something, anything. I'll create a class. Class courses container, right? So now using DOM manipulation, I will attach courses to this thing. Remember, I will attach courses to this. Okay. Now let's see. So document dot get element by ID. We'll get by ID, we'll give the ID name. So we'll get element by ID by class name. So we'll give class name. So we need to store that into some let or var, let element equal to, right? Now we got this. Now let's see how we can add this. We want to add it a division or paragraph. We want to create it, right? We need to create in DOM only. So now just to do for loop of it. Courses dot for each. For each every course I need to add. Now let's create div. Let div equal to document dot create element of which one I want. Attribute area, address, applet base, div or not. Div I want to create, right? You can understand easily. I created a div tag in the JavaScript. I can append it. Now I can make it as div dot. Since it's a division, we have inner HTML or inner text. Now we can append that like x dot name, right? I will div dot class name. I can give something like course. Class attribute I can give directly, or you can give, I can ID, I can give some ID also here. I'd like course ID, whatever it may be, I can give. Finally, I will append this to this, right? Element dot okay, here it is an array. Since it's by class name, class will be more than one, we'll get as one. So we'll put as 0, so we'll get that. So now let's see, we'll get append child. Append child because that is one element. Because that is an array, array will not have that. Array inside element we have that. Append child, what is the node? HTML node, which is division node. Now we can write CSS for this course and course ID here in style. That's it. For course class, I can add CSS like margin to rem. I can directly write margin to rem. I can give border none. I can give background color as some what I want to do. So what color? So color, what color? Background color, green. So we can give border radius 8 pixel. Now it will be applied. That's it. So it's added. Just go live and see it is already added for the this division. So we have this four. We didn't give padding anyway. So if you want to give padding and you can give some width and height, right? If you give some height as 200 pixel and give some padding, 1 rem, and give some color also, because that is black and green, it's not visible, right? White. And float left and put some width also. Width as 100 pixels. So since you put float left, everything will become side by side. See, we just did DOM manipulation. The same way you added these courses, that's it. So these courses we added side by side with this. So I used some cart, bootstrap cart. Bootstrap cart, card header, cart body, cart footer. In footer we have button. Button I have margin left bottom radius, margin right bottom radius. That's it, right? You already know that. This transform scale 1 point something. You know that. When I hover on it, I just put transform. Here also you can put that force hover. Transform scale 1.2. 1.1, right? Transition 1 second. Ease out. So in order to make that animation, we have transition 0.5 seconds ease out. So this is transition. Whenever you hover on it, it is coming up, right? Even you are expanding something that will expand fastly. Like for this, you need to put transition ease out. Means it's coming as out, like, or ease in out. Ease in out or ease out. So that you can mention 50 milliseconds, 500 milliseconds. See, it's like smooth. So that smoothness, we can go with transition. I didn't apply it for these courses. Let's check. Hey, it's like here I didn't use a transition. While building the website, some of the features we might not able to do each and every small things. But as a practice, we might experience the things. I think I need to update this, right? If someone is testing this website in the team, in company projects, they will test you each and everything. This one also they will mention, okay, this should be smooth. Because design is smooth, you should also do smooth. If the team is like that, everything will become set it right. What it other so atla adi transition. So we need to do. Now, name mono CSS law. So you did that cards, right? In progress, something. That using DOM manipulation, you do this now today. So now, ఇక్కడ మనకి DOM manipulation లో get element by ID ఉందా? Get element by class name అంటే it will give the element, list of element means array. Since you have only one, you will access with 0. అదే ID అయితే ఓన్లీ 1 ఉంటుంది, డైరెక్ట్ గా యూజ్ చేసి. అదే get element by tag name అయితే ఇది ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ కాదు. ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ డివిజన్ అనేది ఒక ట్యాగ్ నేమ్, పారాగ్రాఫ్ అనేది ఒక ట్యాగ్ నేమ్. దాన్ని ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ ద్వారా తీసుకురావచ్చు. ఓకేనా? అదే అంటే డివిజన్ ఉంటే ఇదే వచ్చేస్తుంది నీకు. కావాలంటే చూడు, ఏదైనా ఒక విండోకి వెళ్ళి ట్రై చేద్దాం. సో విల్ గెట్ దట్. సి ఐ విల్ గెట్ దిస్, ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ అండ్ డూ దిస్. సో పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 699 పారాగ్రాఫ్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటి క్వశ్చన్లు ఇవి? పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ ఇవి, క్వశ్చన్స్. చూడు, దాంట్లో నాకు 0ది కావాలా, అది నేను తీసుకుంటా. ఆ 0లో ఉన్న ఇన్నర్ HTML నాకు కావాలా, అంతే కదా? ఆ ఇన్నర్ HTML హౌ టు మ్యానిపులేట్, అది కూడా డివ్. నేను మొత్తానికి మైనస్ చేసింది. సో ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఈ 699 పారాగ్రాఫ్ నేను ఎవ్రీ టైం డామ్ని రిపీటెడ్ గా కాల్ చేయడం వల్ల రీఫ్రెష్ అవుతుంది. అదే ప్రాబ్లం. అర్థమైందా? రిపీటెడ్ గా నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే దాన్ని మ్యానిపులేట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఎట్లా అంటావు? సో దాన్ని రిపీటెడ్ కాల్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఉంది ఇది చూసావా? నేను హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ నుంచి జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ కాల్ చేసి ఇది నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ కి ఎందుకు వచ్చింది స్లాష్ అని ఉంది కాబట్టి అలా నేను మోడిఫికేషన్ చేస్తున్నా. అది కంటిన్యూస్ గా కాల్ అవుతానే ఉంది. కంటిన్యూస్ గా కాల్ అయ్యి బ్రౌజర్ రిఫ్రెష్ అయిపోతా ఉంది. సో నేను దానికి ఇంకో ప్రత్యామ్నాయం వెతకాలి అంతే కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు 1000 క్వశ్చన్లు వస్తాయి రేపు. ఇంక ఇది రిఫ్రెష్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది ఎవ్రీ సెకండ్ కి. సో వీ నీడ్ టు సాల్వ్ దట్ ఇష్యూ. బ్రౌజర్ మీద లోడ్ పడింది అనుకో, సో ఆ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందా? సో నౌ we have query selector. We have query selector. query selector p అని అనుకోండి. ఓన్లీ 699 పీలు ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ పీనే తీసుకుంటది. చూడు కావాలంటే ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాయి అవి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ పీనే తీసుకుంటుంది. అదే క్వరీ సెలెక్టర్ ఆల్ పెడితే అన్ని తీసుకుంటుంది. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, అది క్వరీ సెలెక్టర్. అదే నేను క్వరీ సెలెక్టర్ లో డాట్ క్లాస్ అయితే డాట్ క్లాస్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఐడి అయితే హ్యాష్ ఐడి ఇవ్వాలి. అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, అది క్వరీ సెలెక్టర్ ఆల్ కి. యూజింగ్ దాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ DOM manipulation. That's it. You can do n number of things. Document create element. So even see document create element like unorder list. I want to create unorder list. దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ క్రియేట్ ఎలిమెంట్ లిస్ట్ ఐటమ్, దాని ఇన్నర్ HTML అగైన్ అపెండ్ చేయాలి. ఫైనల్లీ అన్ఆర్డర్ లిస్ట్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ ఇట్ టు డివిజన్. అట్లా ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ యూ కెన్ డూ. సో యూ డూ దిస్. సో నేను మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ ఒక రోజు ఇచ్చాను కదా, అది నేను రీఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఒకటి ఇచ్చి కంటైనర్స్ వచ్చాయి, కార్ట్స్ ప్రోగ్రెస్. సో దాన్ని మీరు DOM manipulate చేయండి. అంతే, దట్స్ ఇట్. దట్ ఈస్ టుడేస్ టాస్క్. అది I will reshare today. So today's task you can practice by tomorrow. Tomorrow I will ask you, so you come here and write it. So DOM manipulation is important. So it's an easy, but first time it will feel difficult. For me also first time it's difficult. After that I practiced only once. After that I didn't see at all. Because in in job, since Angular is easy, we will not write DOM manipulation. In Angular directly we can implement. Using ng for, yesterday I just told you ng for, right? ng for is not there in JavaScript. It is directly in Angular. You can directly write ng for in division. That is, we'll call a structural directive. Anyway, that's concept different, but that is the thing. I'll just end up the class for today like this. So just practice and come back. We'll discuss that.